This math problem has gone viral, and it has received millions of comments on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other social media sites. In this video, I'm going to present the correct answer. The problem is an example of the order of operations. These are commonly referred to as PEMDAS or BODMAS. This refers to evaluating the parentheses brackets, then the exponent orders, then multiplication and division, and finally addition subtraction. If you have two operations of the same precedence, you want to evaluate them from left to right. The first step of the problem has no controversy. This expression contains a parenthetical expression which must be evaluated first. 1 plus 2 is inside the parentheses, so we'll evaluate 1 plus 2 to get 3. Now the question is what to do next. Parentheses 3 will be converted into 2 times 3. This expression only contains multiplication and division. These are operators of equal precedence, so we'll evaluate them from left to right. Starting on the left, we have 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. We then have 3 multiplied by 3, one final multiplication, and that gets us to the correct answer of 9. This is without a doubt the correct answer to this expression as written according to the modern usage of the order of operations. Well, there is another answer that you could argue from a historical perspective. So I actually found some documentation that the order of operations did have a slightly different understanding in certain texts in 1917 or before. So the first part of the equation is the same as before. We have a parenthetical expression, and this should be evaluated first. We have 1 plus 2, and that becomes 3. The debate then centers around this division symbol. So what does it mean that we have 6 divided by 2 parentheses 3? Well, there were textbooks, and there was a lot of usage that if you had this division symbol, where you had something on the left divided by something on the right, this was understood to mean you want to divide the entire product on the left by the entire product on the right. X divided by 2y with this division symbol, they actually did mean x divided by parentheses 2y. So under this historical usage, which is a special exception to the order of operations, and we don't use it anymore, you would want to take this product on the right as your divisor. So applying this rule, which is 6 divided by 6, and that's equal to 1. So many people argue that 1 is the correct answer. Today, we don't use this practice because it can be confusing. Instead, we follow the order of operations. So the correct answer to this problem is 9, but there is some historical justification for the answer 1, but it's not how we would interpret the problem today. Did you get to the correct answer of 9?